Hi, this is John Butegard, Sarasota Suncoast Team and Sarasota Suncoast Homes. We're in the Indian Beach Sapphire Shores neighborhood and going to take you on a tour of a little known path that's in the neighborhood. This is right down on Bayshore Road. And this is just a small area that the neighborhood association has worked to clean up, the beautification committee. This neighborhood's filled with little gems like this one. It's actually Charles Hegener Memorial Nature Walk. Charles did some amazing work to keep this little nature path open, and the neighbors honored him with that plaque. One thing we always try to do when we're down in this nature walk is be respectful of the neighbors that are on either side. And anytime we come in and bring anything in with us, we make sure we take any trash out. It's a nice spot down here for fishing and just to view the bay and get away from it all. If you're ever interested in finding a home here in Sarasota, give me a call at 941-894-4063 and I can help you. My team and I, we know the Indian Beach Sapphire Shores neighborhood very well, and we know Sarasota really well, and we can help you find your home down here. Hope you'll join us. It's just gorgeous here. We love this life. Bye for now.